Hello guys, you are welcome to GLIMS Media TV. My name is Ade Oladeus, and on this channel I share videos on how to grow or start an online business and also use AI to your advantage. Basically, I'm a website designer and a digital marketer, right? And I train people on how to become a professional in this field. Alright, now in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a presentation or a slide in just seconds using a simple AI tool. Now if you are just joining this channel, I urge you to subscribe, to click on this subscribe button here, and then so that you can always see a video I release from time to time. Right, now let's dive into this today's tutorial. Now I'm going to show you what I created before. Using this simple AI tool. Now this is what I created using this AI tool. Now I created this slide in just seconds, and guess what, I did not even write anything at all. Like, I did not write a content, I did not make preparation for any content and all of that. I just typed how to become a digital marketer on the AI search button, and then it created this unique content for me, and I'm sure you can see it on your screen. And of course it's very fine. You understand? Something, if I'm going to sit down to create this, I will spend hours in trying to do this or in trying to get this thing done. Alright, so I'm going to show you the simple secret I use in creating this presentation or this slide in just a few seconds, less than 15 seconds anyway. Now let's dive in. Now you go to this website called gamma.app. Gamma.app is actually an AI tool, right? So if you are just visiting this website, all you have to do is to sign up for free. You sign up for free using your Gmail account, using your Google account, which is your Gmail account. It's still loading. Now this AI is actually a very free, like, it's a free artificial intelligence that enable you to create to start writing beautiful and engaging content with none of the formatting and design work. So you just click on the sign up for free. So you click on the sign up for free. If you are just creating it, you click on the sign up for free. So you sign up with Google. Can you see it now? So you click on continue with Google. You click on continue with Google. You click on continue with Google. And then you can see you sign up using and any of this account, like any of your accounts, your Gmail account. Alright, so I've done my sign up before, so I want to do the same thing. Alright, so I'll go back to my own account and say gamma.app. I'll say gamma.app. So I've signed up before, so I'll log into my own account. Alright, so you can see this was the slide I created before. You can see it now. This was the slide I created before, and I can just click on it so that I can see what I created before, the slide I created before. Now it's a very simple tool, that you can use. Alright, this was a slide I created before. You can see it now. I created this slide in just less than 30 seconds, not even up to 15 seconds. You understand? So I'll go back now and then I'll create a new document. So I'll go back and create a new document. I'll create a new document here. So I'll click on create new. I want to create new. So provide a topic and let AI generate you a first draft of a doc, deck or web page. So I'll click on this. And then I want it to be in presentation format like a slide. So I'll click on presentation. Alright, the next now I'll say how I want to give it a topic now. How to start a weight loss journey. How to start a weight loss journey. So let me click on this. Can you see it now? It has generated a subtopic for me. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to click on what? Continue. I'll click on the primary button. Alright, I'll click on continue. You find out that it's going to generate this for me in just few seconds. Wow, this is nice. So it's generating it for me right now. How to start your weight loss journey. So this is the next subtopic, is creating understanding why. Okay, so if you are having a presentation now on how to start your weight loss journey, this simple AI tool will create it for you. To create a slide for you, and then you can actually display it on your projector at a seminar. You can see it now. So I will actually say rest in peace to PowerPoint using this AI tool. You can see it's also generating pictures for me, pictures that I will need. Of course, you can edit too. You can edit the work after it's finished generating everything for you, right? You can see it's generating it for me. I'm not typing anything, it's just generating. AI is wonderful. This is really awesome. You can see this is what, if you are going to pay someone to do this for you, you will spend a whole lot trying to create this. But with AI, it makes it very simple. Using this AI, you'll find a link on the description of this video, right? The link I use, like the website I use in generating this. This is awesome and it's free. You're not paying to get it. It's free, completely free. So why wasting your time on Microsoft PowerPoint trying to generate a slide for your presentation? Please, if you actually enjoyed this tutorial video, give it a like button, and do well to subscribe to my channel so that I can get more videos on actually how to grow your business online and how to use AI. You understand how to use AI to your advantage in the 21st century. So I will upload more videos from time to time on how to use AI, how to actually start a digital marketing for your brand, for your business, and also helping other persons with digital marketing to help their business to gain more visibility. So do well to like this video, comment if you have challenge trying to create something like this, and then I'll give you a feedback. You can also write me on WhatsApp. I'm also available on WhatsApp. You can ask me questions on WhatsApp, and you can also take our courses online too, or you take our courses at our office in Benin City. So now it says your presentation has finished generating. Can you see it now? So this is awesome. So all I have to do now, it has finished generating all my presentation. So what I have to do now is to click on export. So I'll export this work. I'll export this work now. I'll click on export. Can you see it? I'll click on export. And then how do you want to export it? Do you want to export it as a PDF? You can export as a PDF. You can also export to PowerPoint. So I'm going to export to PDF, and I can also export to PowerPoint. So if you are using a projector screen, for example, now you can actually export to PowerPoint. But if you want to make it in form of a book, alright, and you want to sell this book, probably you want to sell it out, you understand, you just click on this export to PDF. So I'll download now. I'll download this information ought to be paid for, but I'm giving it out to you for free, you understand, so that you can actually generate something for yourself as probably somebody that organizes webinar or seminar from time to time. So please do well to give this video a like button, and comment. Of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can get more videos from time to time. So it's still exporting. So I've been able to download this now. I've been able to download this work now. So I can decide to export to as PowerPoint. So if you want to do it as PowerPoint, you just click on this arrow, this download button here. You can click on it. Alright, so I want to see what I exported just now. I want to see the work. I'll click on this. I'll click on this. This is what I downloaded just now. Can you see it now? How to start your weight loss journey. This is awesome. Now getting started on a weight loss journey can be tough. Now by Adeolade, so it's telling you that I created this this slide. Right, understanding your why, realistic blah blah blah, setting realistic goals, building healthy habits. You can see it's creating a sustainable meal plan, incorporating exercise, tracking progress, staying motivated, and that's all. So you see it now. So all you just have to do now is to present this on your you make the presentation on your projector. So that's that. So please do well to subscribe to my channel. Do well to subscribe to my channel. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel. Just click on this subscribe button and then you are done subscribing. Thank you for watching this video and expect more video from us.